Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to reverse any number. So for example, if we have a number now which is equal to which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we want to reverse this number. So there are many ways of reversing a number. Today I'll show you the concept of string slicing to reverse a number. So type print. Then we have to convert this integer into a string. So we type str bracket and then num inside the brackets. And now we open and close two square brackets or square bracket and put two colons and -1. So what this this is the concept of string slicing. Whenever we put two colons and a -1, the string or a number gets reversed. So let's run this code. As you can see, the number is reversed 54321. So we can use this concept to determine whether a number is a palindrome number or not. A palindrome number is um, it is like this 1 2 3 2 1. So if we read it from the left side, it's 1 2 3 2 1, and from the right side it's 1 2 3 2 1 as well. So this is called a palindrome number. So this is it for today, guys. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.